I struggled at school. I really couldn't see what my future held. But then I found something a bit different. Skills-based, vocational, at the same level as a GCSE for people aged 16 and above. It was a level 2 qualification and it made learning exciting. Now I'm in a job I love. I nurture, I give life, I grow.
I innovate, I restore, I improve.
I listen, I inspire, I develop.
I fix, I solve, I connect.
I create, I perfect, I expand.
I care, I listen, I fulfill.
With level 2,
we can.
Give power to potential. Many level 2 qualifications are in danger of being defunded. We want all young people to have options to progress towards jobs and training. Join us in calling on the government to protect level 2.